Hi, Steve here, former custom home builder turned real estate professional with another video to show you how to win as a new construction buyer. You know, as a new construction buyer, there's a lot of pitfalls out there that could cost you a fortune if you're not aware of them. So, buckle up. This is a video that you've got to watch. There are so many advantages to buying new construction versus resale, and the big one has to be no more bidding wars against other buyers. Your ability to choose your finishes, your upgrades, floor plans, elevations. You can pretty much customize your new home or condo to your heart's content. And the icing on the cake is that your new home is completely covered by a 1 year or more home warranty. So there's a lot of positives to new construction for sure. However, there's a few things you've got to consider before you sign the bottom line on that builder's contract if you want your new home buying experience to be a positive one and hopefully a profitable one. Over the past 30 years, I've been on all sides of the new construction home sale process as a builder, as a builder's representative, and also as a real estate agent representing my clients who are buying new construction. So I know the new home building buying process pretty well. And I'm also a licensed residential builder.
You already said that.
I know, I wanted to say it again. What can I say? So that is why I put together this very short video on the top 5 mistakes buyers make when purchasing new construction. So hopefully, after you watching this video, you'll be a much more savvy buyer and you'll avoid these potentially very costly mistakes when you purchase your next new home. So I know you're busy, let's get at it. Mistake number 5, not checking out the resale market before you go new construction. What if you could find the home of your dreams, but just a few years older? Have your agent do a thorough search in the area that you want to live in with the options and criteria that you're looking for in your next home, and chances are a couple viable options may be available. And it's going to save you a lot of money at the same time because most used homes have the deck included. They've already put in landscaping, window treatments, blinds, mirrors, etc. So it's going to save you a lot of money because, as you know, with new construction, none of those items are included. You've got to put those in yourself at some later date, adding to the already pricey price tag of the new construction home. Let's say there are no options in the resale market. Well, at least you can go into the new construction purchase confident knowing that you checked out all the resale options and there were none. Mistake number 4, not shopping lenders. Now, many times the builder's lender will be a good option and they're going to offer you for sure some pretty good incentives to use them versus the lender you may already be working with. But if you're a physician buyer or a first-time home buyer or a veteran, there's going to be some better programs out there for you with non-builder lenders. By all means, you want to shop for your mortgage, for your loan programs. Get the lenders to compete for your business so you'll get the best rates and terms on your mortgage. Ask your real estate agent for recommendations for lenders to customize a program for your unique circumstances. But by all means, have them compete for your business. Mistake number 3, not getting a home inspection done on your new home. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Steve, why do I need to spend good money on a home inspection on my home because it's brand new? Well, many people are under the misconception that because a home is brand new, it's defect-free. Well, I've walked through hundreds, if not thousands, of newly built homes in my career, and I've yet to see one that's defect-free. There are literally thousands of components and steps, scores of tradespeople that are involved in the construction of a new home. Things get missed, shortcuts get taken. The quality varies greatly from builder to builder. Heck, I've even seen the quality vary greatly from home to home from the same builder. So that's why you need a qualified home inspector that works for you to go through the home from top to bottom, stem to stern, to identify any possible defects. Your agent should be able to recommend a good quality inspector for you. Mistake number 2, assuming the builder is not negotiable on price. Many buyers never even consider trying to negotiate price with a builder, Consequently, they could be potentially leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Now, granted, most builders are not crazy about dropping their price or throwing in any free options. However, most builders I've worked for and with over the years are willing to do some kind of concessions or price reduction to get the purchaser to sign the bottom line. Remember, the builder has to sell homes, and if they have to throw in an option or two or reduce the price a little bit, they're going to do it. Sometimes, though, if the project is just getting off the ground, or if the demand for new homes is at an all-time high, then the builders are going to be very resistant to do anything when it comes to negotiation on pricing. But it never hurts to ask. Now, if you're looking at a builder's quick delivery home or a spec home that hasn't sold yet, then chances are the builder's going to be a little more amenable to negotiating price with you, because he literally has hundreds of thousands of dollars tied up into that spec home that he wants to get out of that home and into his bank account. But the bottom line is, if you don't ask for a price reduction or an upgrade or 2 or 3, then the builder is definitely not going to offer one to you. Consult with your agent to devise an offer strategy that works best for you.
Mistake number 1, not having professional agent representation when buying new construction. This is perhaps the most common and costly mistake I see buyers making time and time again. Now, I know what you're thinking. Steve, that's pretty self-serving of you to advise us to have agent representation. I get it, but if you could, bear with me for a minute, please. Without a doubt, having the right agent to help guide you through the complex home building process is crucial. And not just any agent, mind you. You need an agent that is experienced in the new construction arena. Unfortunately, 99 out of 100 agents are clueless when it comes to new construction. They wouldn't know a helical pier from a fishing pier if it jumped up and bit them. And that's okay. It's new construction is just not their field of expertise. And again, that's okay. So why is it a wise decision to have a professional agent represent you? Well, first of all, that agent is legally and ethically obligated to look out for your best interest in all of your dealings with the builder. Now, the builder is looking out for their best interest, not necessarily yours. Now, they might be great people. They'll offer you coffee and donuts and drinks. They're super nice people, but remember, they have their best interest front and center, not yours. Now, does that mean that these builders are bad, unethical people? Absolutely not. Most builders and their representatives are stand-up professionals, but they have homes to sell, they have profits to make, and they've got to watch out for their bottom line. They have an agenda. So just like the builder has their agenda, you've got your agenda as well. And this is where your agent factors in greatly. Their sole purpose is to represent you and you alone, and to help you get the absolute best deal and terms on your new home. Now, many buyers think that if they go into the builder's office and buy a home unrepresented by an agent, the builder's going to give them some great discount. That is simply not true. Many builders will not give a discount to a buyer even if they don't have an agent. The builders already have the commission baked into the sales price, so going in agentless will not save you a dime. But what it will do, it'll make the builder very happy. In fact, he'll be doing his happy dance and he'll be thanking you because he now doesn't have to pay the 3% commission. So we don't want the builder doing any happy dances on your behalf. Agreed? So there you have my 5 mistakes to avoid as a new construction buyer. I certainly hope you got some value out of this video. Now, if new construction is something you definitely want to explore more of, I'd be honored to be your real estate agent of choice. Let's get together either in person or virtually, your choice, so I can share with you how I work for my clients like no other realtor out there, and at the same time, with my exclusive rebate programs, I can put thousands of dollars back into your pockets at closing, while having some fun at the same time. For more information about my rebate programs, check out the link below. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll talk to you soon.